Hello everyone, myself Ncert from Jorhat Medical College. Today we are going to start with Ncert Biology Class 11 Chapter 4 Animal Kingdom, page number 45. Like I was telling you about the examples and alternate names in your last class, this might be an important question or in matching column A with column B, or they might directly ask you about the alternate name and the examples found here. So you have to be very clear about those examples given in your NCERT. Now coming to the phylum Echinodermata. Now very important question and quite confusing for people who study just blindly, that they have an endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles. Many people confuse it with exoskeleton. They do not have exoskeleton, rather they have endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles. So you have to remember this term. Again, the next very important MCQ from echinoderms is that their digestive system complete with mouth on the lower ventral side. Ventral side is the lower side in echinoderms, and anus in the upper dorsal side. You have to remember this term. And water vascular system is characteristics of the phylum Echinodermata. You have to remember this, which helps in locomotion, capture, transport of food and respiration also. You should not think like water vascular system functions like capture, transport, locomotion, but also respiration. You have to remember this term respiration, because many people miss this term. Now fertilization is usually external, and examples you have to remember again with their alternate names. So you have to be very clear. Now coming to the phylum Hemichordata, one common mistake usually people do is they thought it to be a chordate, but they are non-chordate. Earlier they were chordates. If you read the first sentence, considered as chordates, but now they are independent phylum and separate phylum, non-chordate. And hemichordates have a rudimentary structure in the collar region. You have to remember this term. Stomachord, you have to remember stomachord is found in hemichordates, which is present in the collar region. This is an important MCQ, and this structure is similar to notochord. Now the alternate term is they are worm-like marine animals. You have to remember, as it has been asked many times, they are worm-like marine animal. Now body is cylindrical, composed of anterior proboscis. Proboscis is present anteriorly. In examination they will try to confuse like proboscis is anterior, medial or posterior. You have to be very clear that proboscis is anterior, and collar where stomachord is found, and long trunk. And this is the example, and many times they ask the parts of this melanoglossus, and you have to remember this for image based question. Now excretory organ is proboscis gland. You have to remember all the primitive kidneys, so you have to remember this only. Proboscis gland is excretory organ found in hemichordates. And the examples you have to remember melanoglossus and saccoglossus. For phylum Chordata we will start this in the next video, but meanwhile you have to be very clear about this image based question which they might ask you. Thank you.